La Aldea del Rio, Lumbia, Cagayan de Oro City. A modern townhouse community offering affordable, fully finished, two-bedroom homes perfect for starting families, young professionals, or investors. Accessible to school, markets, churches, hospitals, and uptown studio establishment. Two-bedroom townhouse. Budget-friendly monthly payments, safe and family-friendly neighborhood, and peaceful surroundings away from the city noise. Affordable home ownership in a prime and growing location with the convenience of modern living. Ideal for the first-time ownership, small family, and investors looking for a rental income opportunity. Amenities, multi-purpose hall and basketball court and playgrounds for children. This is Albert, the accredited PRC